Dialects and accents, a potential pitfall. A dialect is a complete variety of sounds, grammar, and words that fit a particular region, period, or class. An accent is usually just a difference of pronunciation. When they are used, especially on screen, it is usual to find a native speaker to take on the burden of being convincing in a regionally based dialect, or of having a distinct accent. You should be aware that if it is not native to you, then it will change your acting, and not always for the better. Sometimes it might be tempting to add little mannerisms to your character that are not indicated in the text, and you feel an extra embellishment would help things along. For instance, if you choose to do an accent or dialect that is not your natural one, your energies will go into that aspect of the role and your acting can go out of the window. Be careful that you always have a powerful acting reason for that accent or speech defect. The problem with an accent is not, in fact, learning the new sounds, tunes, and stresses. It is being completely willing to give up your own individual familiar sound and take on the verbal signals that indicate that you are from a different place or time, or both. Because most people are proud of their roots, some even passionately so, taking on someone else's sounds can lead to problems. For many years, American actors had a struggle to put on a convincing British accent, partly because they were unwilling to accept being part of the class system that is at the root of the British sound. It is only now that actors such as Gwyneth Paltrow and Renee Zellweger can be confident enough to give up their all men are equal American accents to convincingly play class-ridden Brits. Do be careful, however, that the effort of putting on an accent does not make you speak louder than you should. This is particularly important for screen work, where many good performances have been ruined when the actor's use of an accent that was not their own pushed them into being too theatrical, being too loud.